right, good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, and the chart we're looking at right here is the TBT. It's an ETF, as you all know. It's an interest rate ETF, and this is the high we've been looking at. Monday, market actually took it out for the first time in a long time, well, other than right in here, right? Took it out, actually closed higher. Yesterday actually opened up higher and actually made a new high, but if you take a look at yesterday's bar, look at the candle there. That's a bearish engulfing pattern, right? I mean, it took out the high of the prior bar, the low of the prior bar, and actually closed right down in here, which is actually very, very bearish, but for a short-term potential move. But look at, again, today opened up higher. This is where we're trading right in here. We opened up above the mid mark, right? The 50% retracement of that big down move, right? And it's trading right now at 69.48. So you know my position in this market. It's a long-term play. The buy actually was down in here on the retest of this low when interest rates were actually moving lower again, and then we got that big move up. Again, we've taken out a significant level here. We only had one close above it and then a reversal. So again, I'm still looking for this to move higher long term. Who knows what's going to happen short term? I would have thought that by yesterday's big bearish bar, the market would probably try to move down a little bit. But as you know, I'm already long at the 38.2 is when the market came down off of this high to this level bounce. And then I got in a little bit more as the market took out this high. Just a little, though. Just a little. So again, you know my position in this market here. Let's quickly flip over to the E-Mini S&P 500 chart. As you know, the market came down, hit nice support, right? Came down to the 50 exponential moving average, filled that gap. You've heard me talk about this a lot in the last few days, right? We got a big move as I was expecting off that level. We came up real close to that 61.8% retracement from high to this retracement right in here. We've fallen back. Who knows what's going to happen in here, right? I mean, nobody knows, okay? So basically, I would love to see a retest. I would love to see maybe the market take out this low, move a little lower, give us even a better opportunity to go long. What I suspect moving into the summer months, some consolidation in here. I really don't see a huge move in the upside or down. I mean, again, I'm not a huge forecaster. You know that I'm pretty short-term trader. Nobody knows what's going to happen. You can just try to stack the probabilities in your favor when a trade setup occurs. Since we are trading in the range of, the all-time high and this correction low, we're trading right in the middle. So it's anyone's game what can happen in here, right? For this market to start moving higher, though, I would definitely need to see the June 10th high broken at 1648.5. We start taking out that high, I think we could run closer to that upper band. If we take out yesterday's low of 1621.5, I would expect some type of push down close to this low again. So anything can happen in here, okay? Because we're kind of in the middle of this range. So who knows, right? Let's take a look at eBay real quick. This is now on my watch list here. Let's see. All right, eBay is pretty much in a range here. The market has tested this low. We kind of bounced off that level. We're playing near that 200 exponential moving average. Excuse me. As you can see, yesterday we created that inside pattern. We've taken out the low. I'm going to keep this on my radar because I think this could move higher, but I definitely need some type of trigger signal in here, and I will let you know what I'm thinking and when it happens. So I'm going to keep that on my radar. There's one other. I'm also going to keep the stock ARMH on my radar. We've had a nice pullback in this stock from the all-time high. We are testing these lows right down in here, right? And what I did was I drew the fib retracements from, let's take a look. Drew the fib retracements down way from this low right here up to this high. We're at the 38.2% retracement, testing this low, testing this low. We've nailed it yesterday. Yesterday was an inside pattern, right? Got a tight little inside bar here. So if the market's able to take out that high today, the high is 40.61. I'd be looking to buy this market at 40.71. So far today's high is 40.66, has not been able to penetrate through that. As you can just see here, though, the volatility is starting to shrink up in here, and we are at a support level. So I would need to see further confirmation of a move up through that high before looking to do anything. And then the last one I want to take a look at is Netflix. Okay, Netflix, again, volatility has started to shrink up here on this stock too. And we are moving lower. We're getting close to that 50 exponential moving average in here. So look at, just like in the E-Minis, I would love to see this gap filled, right? The gap right here, and then I'm going to end the video. It's getting long again, right? This gap's never been filled, right? From these highs in here to this low. We've got the gap in here. I'd like to see the market push down a little bit lower, and then looking for a potential buy. But again, not yet. We're not quite there. I will keep that on my radar and let you know what I'm thinking here, okay? Have a profitable day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.